9/17 on the Money Watch. In less than a week and a half, the IRS begins accepting income tax returns. I can just hear people panicking right now. So what do you need to know to get ready to file? Certified Financial Planner and friend of the show, Joe Bert, is here with more. All right, so as I said, there are people out there right now going, holy cow, that's now.
That time of year again.
So you say the first thing you need to do is organize your records.
You need to get your act together. That's what it's all about. You want to know.
Well, people have been telling me that for years, Joe.
Well, that's the key. You know, you've got itemized deductions to keep track of, and you got to keep track of your. The problem is that this stuff comes in the mail generally in January, and what many people do is it comes in the mail. You know, we come home from work, we get the mailbox, you got 101 things on your mind, kids are screaming, wife's hollering at you, you get all this stuff going on, and it just kind of sits there and it gets shuffled, and then comes tax time, what happened to that form, you know? So when that stuff comes in, you got your W-2s, you got your 1099s, you got your interest deductions from your home mortgage, at least put it in one pile.
Right, and that goes right into our next tip, print out a tax checklist.
Yeah, and I guess where you can find it. Google.
Really?
Yeah, just
good ones out there, trustworthy?
Just type in tax checklist in Google, and they'll come right up, print it out, gives you a head start.
The keeper of all knowledge, the internet.
That's it.
All right, collect receipts.
Well, once again, it gets back to those W-2s, 1099s, and those things you pay on interest, and also the receipts you have for your charitable contributions, the stuff you've given to Goodwill. Your church is going to send you your receipts for the contributions you made. Keep all that stuff together, because all that stuff is important if you ever get audited.
And keep them organized, too, right? Group similar ones together. Why is that important?
Most people don't do that as they come in, but you do want to keep it organized when it comes tax time. Now remember, April 15th falls on a Wednesday this year, so unless you're not organized, you're going to be up Tuesday night doing this stuff. So get the stuff together, and this way it makes it a lot easier when it comes time to sit down and do those taxes.
We talk a lot about stocks and bonds. What do we need to keep in mind with tax time with those?
Well, you want to remember, if you sold some stocks, you may have some gains, long-term gains, short-term gains. If you have some losses, you can offset it against your gains, offset the losses. But don't wait till the last minute if you don't have the records to call your broker or your custodian of your assets. Now, once again, if anything happens, it's sold or bought within your IRA, it's not taxable unless you've taken money out of your IRA. If you've taken money out of your IRA, your custodian will send you what's called a 1099. You have to report that on your taxes because that's income.
Okay, need a short answer on this one. Electronically or paper?
If you file electronically, you'll get your money a lot faster.
All right, there you go. Joe Bert, thanks.
All right, Tom.
Kirsten.